Hello, and welcome to this video on the top 7 ways to make money online with little to no startup cost. In today's world, making money online is becoming easier and more accessible than ever before. With the right mindset and some hard work, anyone can earn a substantial income through online ventures. The methods covered have already created wealth and life-changing income for many. A lot will be covered. Links will be provided in the description. So, let's dive in and explore the top 7 ways to make money online. Please be sure to like and subscribe for future videos. The first way to make money online is through YouTube automation. This method involves creating a YouTube channel and uploading content that appeals to a niche or particular audience. Once you have a sizable subscriber base, you can monetize your channel through advertisements and sponsorships. Additionally, you can use automation tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to optimize your videos for search engines and increase your visibility. The best part is, you can even create YouTube videos without showing your face and without using your own voice. You can even outsource the work using platforms like Fiverr. YouTube automation allows you the freedom to be as involved as you desire. Dropshipping is another popular way to make money online. It involves creating an online store and selling products without holding any inventory. You simply connect with a supplier, who will ship the products directly to your customers. The best part about dropshipping is that you don't need to invest any money upfront to purchase inventory. In fact, you only purchase inventory when your products sell. Some popular suppliers are AliExpress, YO, CJ Dropshipping, Udroppy, Spocket, and HyperSkew. Selling digital products is another great way to make money online. You can create and sell ebooks, courses, templates, or anything else that can be delivered digitally. The best part is that once you create the product, you can sell it indefinitely, without any additional cost. Selling digital products can be a great way to create residual income. Some popular platforms to sell your digital products on are Selfie, Podia, and Shopify. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to earn passive income. It's a $17 billion industry that can be a lucrative way to make money online. Affiliate marketing involves promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission for each sale that you generate. There are a variety of affiliate programs available online that you can sign up for and promote on your website or social media. A few popular affiliate marketing programs are Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, NerdWallet, and Wirecutter. If you have a talent for writing, you can make money online by offering your services as a freelance writer. There are a variety of platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can find clients looking for writers. Once you build up a portfolio of work, you can charge more for your services. Another way to make money online is by offering your services as a virtual assistant. This involves performing tasks like data entry, customer service, social media management, or any other administrative task that can be performed remotely. You can find clients through job boards like Upwork or by reaching out to potential clients directly. You can also find work on a number of platforms like Time, etc., Prialto, Fancy Hands, Belay, Magic, Fiverr, Zirtual, Boldly, MyTasker, and Woodbows. Lastly, you can make money online by offering online tutoring services. You can offer tutoring services in a variety of subjects, and there are a variety of platforms available online where you can find clients. Some popular platforms include Chegg, Preply, Learn to Be, The Princeton Review, Schoolly, and Pearson Smart Thinking. In conclusion, making money online is easier than ever before. By exploring these top 7 ways to make money online, you can start your own online venture and achieve financial success with little to no startup cost. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these options today, and start earning a substantial income online. Please like and subscribe for future videos.